Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro 1825E, and now I can show you how to update this printer. So of course, firstly you need to be sure that you connected to the Wi-Fi network. So if your Wi-Fi icon, Wi-Fi LED is lighting still, so it's not blinking, it means that you connected to the Wi-Fi network and you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So if you have connection, just open settings, then scroll down, find here printer maintenance, scroll down, find update the printer, click check now, and as you can see I have the most current updates installed, so I don't need to install the update. But if you have not installed the latest updates, it will ask you to update the printer. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.